So good evening to all. So let's wait for a few more people to join. So we'll discuss all the doubts that you're having. Okay. Uh, CDSL share. Okay. CDSL. Okay, so CDSL is little down, so you can see that. Hmm. So initially it should break that 1480 rupees level. So then we can expect it would go above 1500. So it's a good stock, obviously you know it. So keep holding that stock. So it may take few days more, or within this week we can expect, because markets are very volatile. So as we discussed in the previous sessions also, markets are little down. So that's the reason many stocks are showing that correction. So this stock has a support near that 1400 level. So if it takes that support, okay, well and good. So then we can expect upside move. Okay, Morphpen Labs. Morphpen Labs also, like I think last 2 weeks back I've discussed that in the premium group. It's looking good. So you can hold Morphpen Labs also. It's good for long term. You can expect some good returns. So the only thing is, as I told, market should settle a little bit. This April month we have seen huge volatility in the market because of all the global markets were down. So all these things have made the markets little weak. But keep holding all the stocks. So whichever the stocks have some very good potential, try to average them. Okay. So if you average them, then over a period of time you will get that benefit. BPCL also is very good stock. I think recently it has showed very good retracement. BPCL. Where is BPCL? One second. Okay, BPCL. Yeah, BPCL also is like almost approaching that resistive zone of 401. So if it breaks that 401, we can expect a very good move. So let's see if it breaks that 401, we can expect that, because already it has entered into this channel. Right, earlier this was a very good resistance for it, the 366. I think we have discussed. So after that it has gone up. Now again it is coming to the same resistive zone of 401. So if it breaks that 401, then we can expect a very good move. Okay. Let's see what are the other stocks. NCC stock. NCC is somewhere around 70 rupees, right? NCC. Yeah. Yeah, NCC also is looking good. So this is the one resistive zone here, and support is somewhere here. You can see very good support here. So it needs to break, and it is forming a very good pole and flag type of pattern. Little bit, it is looking like a pole and flag type of pattern. So if it breaks this, the upper level, which is 72 rupees, if it breaks that, then whatever the price you are expecting, so definitely will come there. Like near term resistances are somewhere here. Let's show here. right? 78. I think you bought at 77, right? So it will approach that. Only thing is it should break this 72.40 rupees level. So then we can expect that up move. Okay. We can hold it. Unless it's breaking that 68, we can't expect anything. But overall it's looking good. What is the next stock? L&T Finance. L&T Finance. Ester share future. Okay. GTL Infra, you can hold it. So that is a penny type of stock. Obviously it is a little risky type, but you can hold it. Just you need to forget about it. Next one is L&T Finance. One second. Okay. L&T Finance also looking good. We check L&T Finance, we have a very good resistance near 90.25. So 90.25 is going to be a resistance. So let's see if it breaks that 90.25, we can expect good up move. Supports are the same. This is going to be your ultimate support 79. Like for swing trading, if you're doing any swing trading, so then you can keep it, but it's good for long term. It has given very good recovery. So if it breaks that 90.25, so then you can expect it will cross that 100. So 95 is next resistance after breaking that 90. So the final one would be 100 rupees. Adani Wilmar, it's a very good stock, and I think during the IPO period we have discussed that, already given some very good return. Still it is having that potential, you can hold it long term purpose. Okay, Renuka Sugars bought at 61. Yeah, already Renuka Sugars is good. Like when we discussed initially that if it breaks that 57 rupees level, so we expected very good up move. So same thing, it has gone up. So Renuka is also looking bullish. Okay, you can keep holding for 70 plus. Uh, Next one is Bajaj Hindustan. So keep holding that sugar stocks. Okay, so all the sugar stocks, as we have discussed, all are bullish. Nothing problem with any sugar stock. So maximum, I guess, Renuka has hit its all-time high. Bajaj Hindustan, like previously, also continuous. We have seen up move. So we'll see. Like as I told, Monday markets again maybe little volatile. So little markets may come down, but keep holding the stocks. Like sugar stocks, you can keep holding. No problem on it. Happiest Minds also. Let me check Happiest Minds. So many days completed Happiest Minds. Okay, Happiest Minds is 1023 now. Okay, Happiest Minds little bit bearish currently, and if you see the lows also are very near for Happiest Minds. So need to see the 950 rupees level again. 1000 rupees is also going to be important supports. So if it respects that 1000, well and good. So if not, you have 956 below zone. Little bit bearish. IT stocks little bit that down. Like recently they've become very much volatile. So Happiest Minds also like huge correction from 1500 it has come to 1000. Let's see if it respects that 1000, we can expect a good reversal, because earlier also same thing happened, right? It has come near this zone, we have seen good reversal. Again it is coming to retest it. So this zone is going to be very crucial. You can search for average opportunities only in 956 and 1000. Mistan Foods, you can hold it. The results were very good, Mistan Foods. So you can keep holding Mr. Foods. Make a video on 50,000 portfolio. Sure, we'll do that. So these live sessions I'm planning to do on regular basis. Like on daily basis, I'm planning to do like people who do intraday trading or do swing trading. So like many were asking, we want little guidance. So I'll do live sessions. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And also we'll discuss few system trading setups also. System trading means like people who do option selling, option buying. For them it would be useful. So that also we'll try to do like from the coming weeks. If everything goes well, we'll start with live sessions on regular basis. Big block, see big block already we discussed in 65 more than I think it has gone to 120. So double the return already it has given. So still it has that potential. So definitely it will go in the upside direction. Subex will hold Subex. Little IT stocks a little volatile. We'll see Subex little down. Let's see the chart also once. Subex. Okay, Subex almost near 38 rupees level. Okay, it has come down completely now, and we have somewhere. This was the previous zone here actually. It has come little bit down near this zone. It's struggling here, and somewhere we have here also a good support zone. So very near levels are there. Like it was consolidating here for a very longer period of time. Completely this is consolidation zone for it. Okay. So 35 is going to be important support for it. And it should break 40 in the upside direction. So then only we can expect some good up move. KPIT Tech also, let us see about KPIT Tech also. KPIT Tech. KPIT is around 542. Okay. KPIT also almost near a very good zone here. You see here, it's almost approaching this zone, little bit down. Little bit bearish, I can say. So you can average KPIT somewhere here. So this zone like somewhere around 528, I think already I told 520, 528. So that zone you can average KPIT. It's very good stock for long term. So this is just temporary correction. So try to invest in some best quality stocks for long term purpose. So KPIT would be best thing. Okay. What are the other things we have? Yes Bank. Yes Bank. Banking is little down, or you can say little volatile because of that HDFC merging news. So HDFC Bank, we know already it has come very down. HDFC Bank. So Yes Bank also same. It is looking little down. See back to back, red candles were there again. Little bearish type of pattern it is forming here. It may move in little sideways direction here for a certain period. So buy only above 15 rupees. My suggestion would be to buy only above 15 rupees. Yes Bank. So until then, you need to patiently watch the movement because banking stocks are little down, needs to correct little bit. So once that gets over, you can go for it. Sona ka BL, okay. Let us see. Sona BLW. This is also a very good stock. So like this stock came into radar only because of the electric vehicle segment. It was having that benefit. So keep this in radar. This is also very good. Okay. So here the next immediate resistance for this is going to be this one. Okay, 700 rupees. And support is going to be this zone. This is going to be the important support, 613. So if it breaks that 700 in the upside direction, you can expect a very good upside move. So obviously it is traveling in the channel. So if it breaks that 700, first target is 760, then we'll have 800 rupees as the near term levels. L&T. Let us see about L&T. L&T. So L&T is around 1694. Okay. L&T is looking little good. Like if you see here, it is forming a very good base here in this particular zone. And the upper side is this one, this thing. So it needs to sustain basically here. So it firstly it should give some reversal near that 1680. 1680 is going to be a very good level. You can check out 1680 rupees level. You can average there. So after that, the near term resistance are these things, 1800 and all those stuff. So you can keep this also in radar. Good only. L&T is also a good bet for long term. So you can keep averaging it. Next one is Nazara. Okay, I'll tell about it. Vector Foods. Vector Foods. Okay. Okay, Vector Foods, it was very volatile. I think last session, big red candle again came down. So 300 is going to be support. 300 is going to be support. So keep that in radar. So it needs to go a little bit up, little bit down now. I can say patiently wait. Only near 300 if you want to buy, you can average it. Motherson Sumi Wire, okay. Okay, this one, right? I think this newly it has come. Looking good. So buy only above this level. 73 rupees above if it closes. So then you can expect good up move in it. Okay. BCG bonus will take time. Let's see. They're taking so much time because I think they're waiting for audit report, all these things. PSP projects. Okay, PSP projects also is good. Like it is following a very good uptrend channel. Very good looking. Let's see, above 600 it is clear bullish. If it crosses that 600 rupees level, it is going to be a clean bullish thing. Delta Corp. Delta Corp is around 285 now. Little bearish. Delta Corp is little bearish. So it has come below that support zone. So almost it was consolidating in this zone for a very longer period of time. Need to see. Little bit downtrend in Delta Corp. So patiently wait. PSP projects. Little bearish. Delta Corp is little bearish. One second. Okay, Paytm. Paytm, if you see, yeah, Paytm all like we know it was in downtrend, but now it is showing some recovery. So we have a support near this zone, like 625 or 600, so that is going to be important zone, but it would go upside because as I told, mutual funds are focusing on this stock. So for a shorter period of time it may go up also. Like in the premium group also, we have discussed it. First target was 700. After hitting that target, it has slightly come in the downside direction because as I told, market was also not stable. That's the reason. Okay, so we'll keep holding this. If you're having, not a problem. SW Solar. If we see SW Solar, okay, this is also very good stock. Recently, so this pattern you can see here, it has tried to form a double bottom type of pattern here. So this was the base, and again this was the top of it. So after giving that breakout, you can see it has went up. So easily you can expect more from here. It would go to this levels, like shorter period of time, 400, and if it breaks that 400, then you have 440 and so on. One good stock for 2 years. So I'll tell you again tomorrow. I'll make a video for best stocks to buy. So there we'll discuss few stocks. DCM industry, okay. DCM Industries. Which one? 90 rupees one only, right? DCM Industries. Little down. This is looking little down. Next immediate supports are near 80 rupees level. So little bit bearish looking stock. So you need to buy only above this level, above 104. Then only you need to buy it. Next one, GMDC. GMDC, if you see, yeah, GMDC already it has given very good return. So now if you want to buy GMDC, you need to buy only above this level, only strictly above 220 rupees only you need to buy GMDC. So before that you should not buy it, because if you see the overall trend of the stock, it is already in a very good uptrend. So huge returns it has given. So immediate support for the stock is this level. You have a very good support, which is 193. So possibility is there, if it reverses from this 193, again it may go in the upside direction. So if not, then again the bearish trend may continue. So if you want to do any fresh entry, if you want a perfect confirmation, so only above the 220 rupees level you need to enter. So before that, don't try to invest because market is also not stable. So already since it has given a huge movement, so stock may become little volatile. So that's the reason you need to wait patiently. Okay. One second, we'll see other questions. Right. Next stock is Sterlite Tech. Sham Century Ferrous, I'll tell. Tata Power. See, Tata Power already I told it's a very good stock. No problems on Tata Power. So we'll see the technical chart once, so that we'll get idea. Okay, so if you observe Tata Power, after a very good up move, again slightly it has come below, or we can say a little bit going in a sideways direction because of the market conditions. So every dip actually is a buying opportunity in Tata Power. So every dip you can try to buy in small portions. So at the current levels you can buy. Next, if it comes to 240, so there also you can add in small portions. So best stock. So this is very good stock. Next is Sportking. Yeah, Sportking, I think recently it has given very good breakout. So if you see the levels here, this was the support. Basically, the 1024 was a very good support for it. After that, the resistance was 1231. So after breaking that 1231, we have seen the continuous up move, because we need to identify the levels. Because initially, I mean earlier also, whenever it has given that breakout here, it has given very good up move. Same pattern here also. It has given a breakout here. You can see this was the zone. So now immediately you can see the targets wise, you can expect 1500. 1500 in that particular zone, you can book your profits there. Very good stock. Rana Sugars, Bajaj, Hindustan, like I told about sugar stocks, keep holding them. No problem in it. We'll discuss when to book the profit. But if you're having in heavy quantities, partially you can book it, because all the sugar stocks are giving good return. HFCL will hold. Definitely HFCL will give return. No issue on it. So it is taking little time, but a good bet for long term. Definitely. Next we'll discuss ITC. ITC. ITC we know already, like it was having continuous up move. So you can see that continuous up move was there. So now slightly it has come down. So best zone to average ITC would be this level. So this zone is better. 255 zone. So if it is coming to 255 zone, you can search for buying opportunities. Okay, very good stock. Very good stock in the sense, like long term perspective, you can hold it. So these live sessions we'll do on regular basis. So don't worry about it. So daily we'll do at least 1 hour, 1.5 hours, so that you will also get that idea and clarity related to all the levels. So BCG will wait. No hurry to buy now. Once that all the bonus issues, everything it declares, we can go for it. Lakshmi Organics, once we'll see. So this stock is completely in sideways direction. If you see, this is the base of it. This is the ultimate top of it. So it is going in little sideways direction. Only above 491, the stock will be clearly bullish. No doubt about it. Okay. So Lakshmi Organics above this level, definitely it will go in upside direction. Above 491, you can go for a buying in that. Okay. Sterlite Tech. Sterlite Tech, yeah, like recently a good news also I got. But see here, Sterlite Tech is looking very attractive here. I think this is a good zone actually. If it is breaking this zone in the upside direction, you can see a very good up move is possible here, Sterlite Tech. So this also you can keep in radar. Once it crosses 240, easily we can expect targets of 280. So it needs to break this level, and I mean the next coming days are going to be very important, and then we'll expect. Next one is Trident. One second. Trident. Okay, Trident also again little bit sideways, but you can hold it. Textile stocks are very good currently in the current market. You can keep holding. So once Trident crosses 60, you can expect a very good up move. You can keep holding that. Okay, next DCM. Okay, that stock DCM 3 DCM 3 Industries. DCM 3. Okay, very good breakout. This also. So this is the next immediate support 115. So above 120, if it sustains, then it would be bullish. 120 above, it needs to sustain. Then we can expect good up move. Pharma stocks, I'll tell you, some good stocks are there. Like recently, we have seen some very good up move in pharma stocks. I'll tell you few pharma stocks. We'll discuss about that also. Yeah, DCM3 Industries, you can see, as I told, 120 above. If it sustains, then we can expect up move. Okay. Good breakout is there. IRCTC. So these lives will be on regular basis. Don't worry about it. So we'll discuss on daily basis. IRCTC also is little sideways to down, struck in a range basically. IRCTC. So next immediate support where you can average is 715 rupees. So before that, don't do it. And for a good breakout, it should break this 908. Then only we can expect a clean bullishness in this IRCTC. So until then, you need to wait. Mavan Sugars, already I told it's good stock. You can hold it for 200 as a target. BCG also keep holding it. Next one is SMC Global. Okay, very volatile. Looking very volatile. Upper zone is 87 somewhat. 70. So only above 87.70 you can buy this stock, SMC Global. So until then it is little sideways. It will take little bit time. Okay. Little we need patience in this. Only when perfect breakout is happening, so then only we can take positions. BCG hold it, and Hindalco. If you see Hindalco, okay, Hindalco is little down. You can see already I've drawn trend lines for it. So after it has come below that trend line, so clearly you can see that bearishness got added to it. So it is little in the downside direction. We'll see how it goes. But you know this all steel stocks, all these things, they're little seasonal type. Once any news or global market factors are there, so they go up. Again, once it starts settling, they start coming in the downside direction. So you need to book profits on regular basis, right? Whenever you're getting a required profit target, you need to exit. And especially technicals, you need to analyze properly, because if you don't analyze technicals, what will happen? You won't understand that. Next is Tata Motors. What rate to add? So Tata Motors, if you observe, so that was also a little bit down, and after breaking the trend line, it has come down. So best level to add Tata Motors would be 416.25 rupees level. So that zone you can add it. If you want to average and all these things, you can do at 416 rupees level. Very good support. Suzlon, hold it. Suzlon is good stock, hold it. BCG also keep holding, because as I told, it will take little time. Let's see how the results will come. We'll wait for that. No hurry. DSSL. So DSS is already, we know how much return it has given, right? Already people who watched our videos initially, we know we discussed somewhere around 85, that particular level. So now it's almost around 230 rupees level. So if you want to buy this at current levels, only you need to buy above the 360 rupees zone, because this is a breakout level here. Alright, so if it gives again a breakout, then 360 above will expect a good up move. Deepak Fertilizers, already I told, Deepak Fertilizers is very good stock, especially fertilizer stocks followed by sugar stocks. These are under radar. So fertilizer stocks in the coming days, they will get that benefit. No problem on it. Fertilizer stocks, you can keep holding it. In the coming months, definitely Deepak Fertilizer 800 it can touch easily. So that is about Deepak Fertilizers. Gravita Industries, hold it. Gravita Industries also you can hold it. Tomorrow we'll discuss again few stocks that we can buy at the current market situation. Don't worry about it. We'll discuss very good stocks, what all we can buy, what not to buy, current market situation. Again, we'll do live tomorrow also. Tomorrow also again we'll do the live session. Okay. Any pointers on how to do intraday on both bullish and bearish? See, like obviously you need to have a separate system for that. You need to have separate stocks that because technical analysis itself tells you where to enter, where to buy, where to sell, all these things you get to know. So you can use certain screeners. So there you'll get few stocks which are in bullish direction, few which are in bearish direction. So like that you can build your own system. Adani Wilmar is obviously you can hold it. Adani Wilmar, no problem on it. Next one is CMI cables. Bombay dyeing, okay. So as I told, textile stocks are looking good. Bombay dyeing also, I think 12% up, right? Last session. Yeah. So this also is looking little bullish. And the next immediate resistances are somewhere around 126 followed by 120. Okay. So once it breaks this 120, then you can expect 126 for Bombay dyeing. Next is Praj Industries. Praj Industries around 420. This also good, looking good. No problem on it. So only buy above this level. Only buy above 437 rupees level. Okay. Only buy above 437 rupees level. You can buy this. JP Power, hold it. Let's see JP Power also once. JP Power, this is the very good base here support. And again, it is after giving that breakout. See that 7.45 rupees level was a breakout for JP Power. So after giving that breakout, again it is trying to do that retest. So successfully the retest is completed. So now again it will start going in upside direction for the targets of 8.30. So keep these levels in radar. So once it breaks that 8.30, you can expect again the stock would approach 9, that is 9.50, that particular zone. Okay. Next one we'll discuss about Nykaa, right? Okay. So this also, I think recently it has given little bit correction, Nykaa. Okay. So now again this is also looking pretty good now. After that correction, now it is completely going in this sideways direction. So any point it may give a breakout. So above 1900, okay, above 1900, mark this level, it is going to be bullish. Okay, and this is also forming a very good pattern here. You can see a inverted type of pattern is being formed here. So once it gives a breakout from this zone, you can expect that up. So above 1900, it is a clear buy. So you can buy it. Next one, TRIL, TRIL. What is that? Okay. Transformer rectifier. 37 rupees. Okay, this is also looking good. So after forming, this is a double bottom pattern. It has gone up, again it has faced here, again breakout. So this is the breakout zone, right? So targets easily you can expect somewhere around, if you add 6 rupees, so it would be 40 above. I think it has touched that 40. So again it may approach there. If it breaks that 40, so then you can expect these levels. Okay, which are this 44 above. You can expect that. Next one is okay, Arun Prototech. Okay, so this stock is little bit down. So after going in the upside direction, now it is slightly coming in the downside direction. So you can search for 100 rupees as a good opportunity. Okay, but little bearish. Let's see if it sustains. If it reverses from that 100 rupees level, we can expect a very good up move. So until then, you need to wait patiently. Morphpen Labs already we have discussed. Again, I'll show you the chart. Morphpen Labs. So Morphpen Labs, it's around. So this also recently, as I told you, this was also same double bottom pattern. See here, double bottom. This was the resistance breakout. After that, retest also completed, and it has gone in the upside direction. Now again, it is trying to retest this level. Okay, 50 rupees level. Let's see again if it retraces in the coming days. Then the next immediate resistance would be 53. After that, I've given a target of 57. So let's see how it goes. FCF software, hold it. Like it was down little bit, but you can hold it, FCS software. FCS software, you can hold it. LTI, Kitex. Kitex Garments. So this is also little bit down. I think little correction it has showed. So little bit it has come below that support level. So next immediate zones that we need to watch out is this level. Okay, let's see. Little bit down. So only above that 280 rupees level you need to buy it, or if you want to have any fresh entry. So before that, don't do anything. Let's patiently watch it. Yes, Gujarat Gas you can hold for long term. Sahadri Industry. Okay. SAH. Okay, so this, I think this also was in a good phase. Now again it is trying to give a breakout. So only above 607 you can have a entry in this. So pattern is looking good. So let's see how it gives the breakout. Looking bullish, you can hold it. BCG, as I told, it will take little time. So because they're also waiting for many things like audit report, all these things they're waiting. So that's the reason it is getting little delayed. Maximum within next week we need to get it. Hope so, this time at least. Electra Green Power. So this is around 686. So it is going in a very good way, like upward type of channel. So let's see, this is also looking good. exactly at the support. Wait patiently. Above 750, you can go for a buy. LTI, okay, one second. LTI. It's around 5,001. Yeah, this was little bearish. Recently, it has come below this zone. This was the support basically. So after it has come below that support, we have seen that breakdown. Okay, so after it has come below support, it is little bearish. So next important supports is 5,000 rupees level. So if it is breaking that 5,000 also, then it is little bearish type. And after that we have 4,500. Needs to retrace because continuous downfall we don't expect in any stock. Whenever continuous fall is happening, again little retracement will be seen. So that will be there. Trident already discussed. Keep holding above 60 only. You need to buy Trident. So not before that. Not before that. After that, sir told to hold Trident will give good move. Yeah. GTL Infra, yeah, hold it. Manali Petrochemicals. Yeah, that is good stock. Manali Petrochemicals is actually very good stock. You can hold it. Network 18. Okay. Network 18. So this also gave very good return for us, like we discussed long back. But since many people are holding, it has given a very good movement. So network 18, the next immediate thing that we need to focus or the level is going to be this one, 104. So this is a good resistance. After 104, we are having 1110. So if it breaks both of them, then we can expect a very good upside move. Okay, so 104 and 1110 are going to be most important levels. After that, what is the other thing? Supriya Life Sciences. Okay, this is somewhere around 427. Okay, a little bit down, and these are the immediate resistances. So note down the levels. Whenever you are getting that opportunity, then you can search for average. Okay, so 390, little bearish, it may come to this 393. So this level you can search for average, this level. So before that, don't do anything. Before that, you need to wait because continuous red candles are there. So it is little down. Okay. MRPL. Okay, MRPL is looking very, very bullish. So be cautious. But okay, if you're already invested at low levels, you can hold it. But if you're planning to have any fresh entry, so then you need to be little cautious. Only buy above this level. only buy above 71. That is closing above 71 is very important. So not touching 71. So once it closes above that 71, you can go for a buying. Okay, clean signs. Okay, this is also looking good. So after forming this base trend line, it has given a very good retracement here. You can see after touching that, we have seen this green candle. So next important resistances are these levels. These are the levels. So if it breaks that 2129, we can expect good up move. So keep this also in radar. After that last stock, we'll see it once, T and Petro. Okay, Tamil Nadu Petro, it is around 128.3. This also has given very good breakout. So above 132, it is going to be clearly bullish. Okay, so until then, hold patiently. Lakshmi Organics already discussed. Just recap the video. We have given all the levels. HFCL, keep holding. Good stock for the long term perspective. Short term, it may be little bearish because of the global markets, but long term, definitely you can expect a very good return. No doubt about it. Okay. Tata Power already discussed. Tanla Solutions. This is the last stock. So later we'll do again tomorrow. Tanla Solutions 1500 is going to be the resistance. So if it breaks that, then we can expect a good up. Otherwise, again, it may show a little bit of downtrend. Okay. So thanks for joining the live session. So tomorrow again we'll do the live, and we'll see how many people are joining. Yeah, GAL is good for long term. 500 above easily you can expect GAL. No problem on it. Hold it. So again we'll do tomorrow. Like almost now time is up. 1 hour we have completed. So tomorrow again we'll do the live session. Get ready with all the stocks. Whatever you're having doubts, we'll do the clarification. Okay. So good night. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll also discuss stocks for short to long term as well. Okay. Bye bye.